hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, the warning alarm system will vary at any given moment. More notice, the normal high is 46. The record high is 74 degrees, which was quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warning in the listening area.